Good evening. So this is the ClickBank marketplace. So when anyone gets started, just like he's promoting, started in affiliate marketing, those that have made money online, those that have began to create their own products and things like that, probably have started using ClickBank uh, as a beginner, really. So there's quite a lot, excuse me, in ClickBank. They've got their own course. They've actually got their own university. So there's quite a lot. If you to do a full walkthrough on it, there'd be quite a lot to get through. To be honest, but we're just focusing on how you can start promoting and things like that. So this is a marketplace, and a lot of these products you're accepted to promote it straight away. So it's split into like a search facility. So you could go, I don't know, health. See, there it is. It's a bit like Google. It's got stuff that people are searching for. So just say health and fitness, and then it would come up with yeah, products like that, and you can see all the offers, and then select from there, and it's got it round, up the top as well. You can see top offers. That's the most successful ones. You can see new offers, or choose home and gardening. It's not just marketing and things like that. There's all different stuff and subsections of animal care and pets and things like that. So you can choose a lot of different ones, even investing as well, jobs, mobile, parenting, politics, even actual softwares and things like that. So kind of focus on affiliate marketing, so that there you've got that. You can see all relating to marketing, e-business. You can just have affiliate marketing. You can have copywriting, blogging, video marketing, email marketing, social media marketing. But we'll choose this because that's what I do, affiliate marketing, and then we've got 34 results, and the gravity score is out of 100. So that's a scoring that ClickBank have. It's really saying half the people that promote do get sales regularly, or they've had a sale before, and then the average commission on that one. That's a good thing to look at future rebill. That means if you get a sale and they stay with this program every 2 weeks, you actually get a monthly fee as well, a monthly commission, and not just a one-off commission. So that's really good. And you can, if you press promote here, that's my nickname, and then you go to continue. This is actually, no, there's there, sorry. There's your link. You can copy it in there. We'll just do that. So if someone clicks on this link, then it takes them to that page. But this is the kind of thing that you really must have. Say you're going to promote ClickBank, is to really have a page like this. So what this is our free course. Plug in it, put in your email address, and then it does take to a page similar to the ClickBank one, but where it becomes more interesting is that is it gets added to the list. So you get sort of leads like this one here, so it gets added to your list, and you can follow up using email marketing. So that's a kind of thing that if you click the link or description of our own business, you'll learn all these things. But the bottom line is if you click on it and you get a sale, you're paid via this tracking link. But if people don't buy it, at least you have their email if you follow up. If you have a landing page, then you're able to do that. So like any marketer, it's just good to read about it. Write app previews.com, get paid to review apps on your phone. So if you click on it, yeah, it's taking you to that page. Also, so you're getting a one-time commission plus future monthly commission. So here's a thing that a lot of people don't know. And also, if you want the highest rank conversions, you can search for gravity, high to low. And also do it the other way around, or how many people rebill, get monthly commission. You can see the best conversion. But it's good to look at the gravity. That's the figure that you kind of must look at. And that is the amount of people that have got sales with that product, which is almost half. So here's a thing that not a lot of experienced affiliates know. If you go this affiliate page, if it loads up, might not be, what is. So here's with this product, cancel. They actually got landing pages, so you can actually select one of their landing pages. So this is from the affiliate company. I've never actually seen this before. So just put mines in. Oh. See if this works. So there's my landing page. So I've created one. So I'll store the email address once you set that up. So this is the affiliate company. They're giving you free tools that you can use. So maybe so this is quite a good one here, email swipes. So say you are following up by email. Here's actually swipes that they've wrote. There's a subject line, want to be a product tester. And that's a code where it knows. It comes up people from Scotland, people from USA on the autoresponder, because that's what you should be using. It reads it in such a way, because they'll put in where they're from, it'll come up with their country. So that's code for the autoresponder, and then it's an email, and then there's your link there. And that's where it takes you to the landing page, and you'll be able to get their email address. And this is all things that they're giving away for free, so that you're able to use because you're going to promote their product. Banners, product images, even for Pinterest, this is quite good. Even if you are marketing by text message, you've got that there, so maybe just click on that, and there it is. That's what you write. You put your link in there, that's what you write there, and so forth. So affiliate pages are quite good, and then you can contact the seller, this company, if you wanted more information. And here's another one. I forgot to mention actually. That's average sale you would get, almost $40. With this one it's a lot more, but the gravity score isn't really as good. It seems to be a harder one to sell, and that's initial conversion but $32 and then almost 20 a month, so that's quite good. And if you click on that, you'll you'll get to see what that's about there. Yeah, to the wrong page. Right. So there is the offer, and you can read more about it. And if you want to get started, you can. That's how people would sign up. But if you're promoting it, you'll get a link. If we can just find it. Let's see. And here's all one: get paid to use Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. The gravity score is quite high on this one. It's like 68, so it's probably because there's not a lot of commissions involved in it. So but then rebilling it, it's almost $40 a month, so that would be a good one to do. And then you just press promote, put in your affiliate link, and then you'll get the link. And then when you click on there, paying social media jobs. I got sales with that one before. Trying to come back. Yes, so that's on we were on before. So just take a look at their affiliate page. I don't know if I looked in that before, but yep, let's take a look at this one. So email swipe, this is via Google Docs, and then you can make a copy of it. So, it's not really loading up, so abandon that one, see what else they've got. So here's some banners that you can use, so you would just sort of copy them and then you can use banners like that. So that's how you would sort of promote on ClickBank. That's the kind of things you would look at. But if you're wanting a business, knowing how to create landing pages, how to build a business from scratch, how to really partner with us and grow as a true entrepreneur, really click the link in the description, and this is the way you'll learn everything, fast track it, and you won't be disappointed. And it is free, but then there is an upgrade as well. But that's something that we offer, because on ClickBank it's hard at the start to grasp promotion and how to do it effectively. So if you join us, and we have our own community as well, we'd love to see you there. Bye bye for now.